Hello guys, welcome back to my Imani SL YouTube channel. I hope you guys all are doing good and I hope all of you all are safe. So guys, today I have brought you a cool website. The website name called Pico Workers. This is a good rated website where you can do micro jobs and earn some cash. So guys, this website is like a good legit website where you can get the payments. So today I'm going to show you all how to sign up on this website and how to do a micro job. So before going to the video guys, I want to request you all, if you all haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it now and click that bell button. So guys, you will be updated with my new videos, same videos where I am bringing you all which you can earn online money while doing some small jobs and cryptocurrencies. So guys, stay tuned with me, please subscribe it right now and click the bell button to get updated as soon as possible when I uploaded the video. So guys, then taking much time, I'll go to this website guys and I'll show you all how to do the sign up. So you all can see the interface guys. This is the interface once you go into this website. To go to this website guys, I will be putting the link below in the description, so you can go to the description and you can start working today. So I will show you all how to do a sign up. This is a very small sign up you have to do. So once you log into, once you go to this website using my link, it will show like this. And once you are in this website guys, you will have to do sign up. Here just go click sign up and you will be redirected to the application form. So they have asked only few details from you. Here they have asked, like, since I'm having an account guys, I'm not going to re-register myself. I'll just show you how to fill this in a very simple way. So here they have asked your full name, just provide your full name. Here they have asked your email address, and here they have asked a password. So you give these details, and here they have asked your nickname, and you have to select your country. Once you select your country, just click this box, just tick that box and just do a sign up. So once you sign up guys, it will register your details into the system and they will redirect you to the main page where you will have these small jobs. So I will go to my website where I have login. So guys, once you have done these details, once you have filled it, and once you click sign up, once you do that sign up over there, then it will once you do the sign up over there guys, then you have to re-login. So once you re-login guys, they will redirect you to this this dashboard. So what we will do is, like guys, here you can see the small jobs where you have to do. These are the jobs guys. So before going to the jobs, I'll just show you how the other things are working. So here once you log in guys, you all want to click this find jobs, then only you can see the current available jobs, and here it will show the task which you have done. So as of now I have done 2 tasks and it is done and satisfied and paid, so I have get paid also. And here is the wallet. So here guys, you can deposit your money and you can make a job. If you have some kind of work to do, you can make as post a job here and you can get your work done. So I will bring a video to you all, like how you can do a job like that, how you can get another person do your work. So I will show you all how that happens. So I'll make a new video on that and I'll come back to you all with a good video, very good explanation how you can get a work done from another person. So here we'll see like how the withdrawals will happen. So here it says like you want to have minimum amount of $5.35 to do a sign up without the sign up bonus. So guys, I'll go fast and I'll show you all how to do a job. So again we will click this find jobs, and here you can see there's a one job posted, like you want to do a star click sign up. So they will pay you $0.08. And here marketing promotion, Gmail account, you just want to make a Gmail account and you. These jobs are very easy jobs they are asking you, and it can be done fast and it won't take much time. So within a day guys, you all can earn, for sure you all can earn more than 20 to 30 dollars. So I will guarantee if you spare around 2 hours, you all can get good money from this site. So I'll just show you all one job how it is happening here. So especially once you click a job, guys, please make sure that you are looking into this, whether that job is whether that employer have given internationally people can do, or some selected countries. So if he have selected few countries and if your country is not available, please don't do it. It will be a waste, because your proofs won't accept, because he haven't asked from your country to do. So always try to check this international valid jobs. So that means you can do it anywhere in the world. So it is like this. Here it says the job details. I'll go down to see what is his expectations. So his expectations are mainly like, go to this website with his referral and complete the whole fields where you want to sign up, enter his referral ID and complete the email verification plus mobile verification. So once you done this, guys, he's asking some proof from you, where is where the name you used to log in, to sign up in that, and the name of your country, from which country you sign up, and the registration date, plus he have asked for a screenshot. So guys, if you all do this and if you all didn't provide him the all proofs, surely that person won't pay to you. So I suggest you all, whatever the things he is asked, please provide this correct details, then only you will surely get paid. So as of now, I will tell you, this is a very good website where you will get paid for sure, and I have been received payments as well. So after getting the payments, guys, right now I had done only 2 tasks. So but I will work on some jobs, and I'll do a one withdrawal video, how I do the withdraw, and the proofs also I will bring to you. So guys, I hope you understand how we can do a job in Pico Workers, a micro job in Pico Workers. So guys, if you all have anything, if you all want to know anything regarding this, please put a comment below. I will surely reply to you all on that. If anything I can help you, I will surely help you guys. And guys, so I request you all, start it today, do a part-time job and earn some cash where you can spend your day-to-day requirements. So guys, for today I will be going. So I hope you all understood about this video. Again, I'm telling you, if you all have anything, please put a comment below. I will surely reply to you guys. And I request you all, if you all haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it now and click that bell button to stay tuned with me and get new updates about the videos. So guys, until I see you all again with another video, guys, then I'll go for today. Take care.